back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to get millions of views for your YouTube video from Reddit. So my friends, this has happened so many times and there are so many videos, but I have chosen 2 case studies. Now this video, my friends, Thanksgiving 97, the day Barney was killed. This video has 35 million views and was uploaded 9 years ago, and monthly it's getting millions and millions of views. I have a browser extension, Chrome browser extension called TubeBuddy, and it lets you see how many Reddit upvotes it has got. But there is one more thing. You can click on this upvotes, Reddit upvotes place, and a new window will pop out, and it will show you, my friends, the recent times or all the time that this person has shared this video on Reddit, on different subreddits. So what happens is, my friends, is that people have been sharing this video for this guy, I think so, but initially he might have shared this video. I'll go to sort and I'll go to most comments, because this will bring the best share ever. So I'll go to this. Yes, look at this, my friends. r/video subreddit with over 26 million members, followers on this subreddit, and you can see it has been shared so many times with almost 18,000 upvotes, then 3.3 thousand, 3,000, 2.8 thousand. Just 24 days ago this was posted, and 2.8 thousand upvotes. Then catastrophic failure, obscure media, happy crowds, all these subreddits he has somebody is posting for him, and he has garnered round about 35 million views. Most of the views must have been coming from Reddit. Reddit must have boosted the algorithm for him. Now, my friends, this was case study number 1, but still I'm going to show you this post made 3 years ago, almost 18,000 upvotes, and look at the comments, my friends. All the data is present over here. It's a viral post and lots of comments are there. Now, my friends, I'll delete this page because already I'm using a lot of tabs open, and I'll go to the second example. This guy has posted a video 7 years ago, When a Chameleon Trusts You. It's titled When a Chameleon Trusts You. And let's do the same mathematics. 63 million views. Millions of views he's getting every month on this video alone. And let's see how he got it viral via Reddit. I'll go to the upvote section, and this time I'll just choose top. 4 years ago he posted, somebody posted, or he posted on r/reptiles subreddit, r/reptiles. It has gotten 102 upvotes. This was 4 years ago. Then on Like Us, it has 2.6 million members and it has 93 upvotes. Then r/chameleon, the relevant subreddit, Made Me Smile, r/6.9 million. I Bleach, 3.8 million. War Dude, 4 million. Nature is Lit, 8.9 million, and so on. r/oh, it got approved over there. These days they don't approve video posts, video submissions. 32.9, almost 33 million members. So this guy, my friends, boosted this video initially on different subreddits. Now, what did we learn from all of this, my friends? What did we learn from all of this? What I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a different kind of a niche. I'm going to write keyword piano cover and enter. And what I'm going to do, my friends, is just filter it out, go to view count, $10 ago, this guy, the piano guys, it seems a powerful channel, he posted a video, Christina Perri, 1,000 years piano / cello cover. I don't know nothing about music, and I must press this button, yes, because of copyright issues. 10 years ago, maybe at that time he didn't have that many subscribers, but now let's see. Oh, surprise, surprise, it has been shared on Reddit. Look at this, my friends, the power of Reddit. 210 million views, and this video has been shared on Reddit. Let's go to the upvote section and let's click on top. Twilight, this subreddit. This is a request from by a person on noise.app. Janet, I made a special video for her, especially Janet, and she said that I need relevant subreddits for her piano cover videos. Twilight, instrumental songs, this subreddit. Wedding planning, this subreddit. Frisson, this subreddit, 210,000 members. Heartbroken, r/videos. Look at this, my friends. Still again another video sharing on r/video subreddit. r/music, almost 32 million members, and we can go on. So I hope you got an idea, a perfect idea and a perfect opportunity on how to get millions of views from Reddit, just by sharing on relevant subreddits using the Chrome extension TubeBuddy on your competitors' keywords videos, and see where they have shared their videos and just do the same thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications for future uploads. I'll be signing off. Take care.